Hey, Scott Grove here. I want to talk about how do you mark or label your veneer. That's something if you're doing sequencing, obviously you're going to want to keep them in sequence. I like to label them 1, 2, 3. I actually label 1 and I circle that number 1 on the face, flip it over, write 1 and underline it so I always know which is the face and which is not. But that's another day for some matching. But what implement do you use? So a lot of times I might use chalk. And you could write chalk on there and you can label it that way. You can also use just the number 2 pencil, which works also. But the problem here is getting that labeling off when you're trying to do a finished piece. And how do you do that? Well, pencil, you could sand off, but there might be times you don't want to do that much more sanding. So you can use an eraser. And we all know that erasers on number 2 pencils, I think the technical terms suck. You can get these white erasers. I don't know. I'm sure you can Google it. There's different types. Sadler is a brand for mechanical drawing. It's a different type of rubber, whatever the stuff is made out of. And that works really, really well. But again, if you've got labels, you might just not want to go through all that time. So what I found is using watercolor pencils. So you can get a whole kit like that, different colors. Light pencils for dark wood, dark pencils for light wood, and you can draw that on there. The beauty of this is that you don't have to sand or erase. You can just use a little damp cloth. You can wipe that on, and that will erase really, really well, and there's no sanding, no nothing. And that's what I found is the easiest. There are exceptions to the rule. Sometimes I'll use a Prismacolor when I'm conditioning the veneer, and that might stay on a little more, or a pencil where if you're dealing with water or solvents, you don't want that labeling to come off. But in most cases, I just want to label the sequence right on here, and I'll show you what this looks like real quick. So there's chalk, regular pencil, and the watercolor pencil. And if I just take water, that erases that, just dissolves that. I mean, it does pretty good on the pencil. Also, the chalk goes away too, but sometimes I've noticed a little chalk left in the grain. So if you're dealing with an open pore, that might stay in there. But I found the water pencil is the best. So, hope that helps. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all the same. And keep watching. I'm starting this whole new veneer series and really going to kind of get into it. So, hope you stick with me. Okay, bye.